In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily remove things from videos. Begin by adding a video to the timeline and double click on it. It will open in a separate window. Then select the Object Matte tool and hover the cursor above the target or the object you want to remove from the video. Do a left click to confirm the selection. If you want to add more things into the selection, like this shadow in my example, you can just left click and drag to create a rectangle over it, and that will include it into the selection. Then press spacebar on the keyboard to track it throughout the video. And after the tracking is done, make sure you go back to the composition view at the top, and in Effect Controls, check the invert foreground background icon. This will remove the selection that we did and leave the rest. Then go up to Window and enable Content Aware Fill. Then inside of it, we need to increase the alpha expansion to 25 to nicely expand the selection that we did. Fill method should be set to Object, Range, Work Area, then click Generate Fill Layer. This will take a moment, and after it's done, you can remove the object matte effect. We no longer need it since now we have this fill frame layer. And now if you preview this, we've successfully removed the object from the video.